Hi guys, good evening. It's evening over here and welcome back to my videos. So in today's video, I am starting this 60 days of makeup on my Instagram. You guys should definitely follow me on Instagram. It's the same name as here on YouTube. And for today, I'm going to be showing you guys how to achieve this glitter cut crease, also in support of Pink October and Breast Cancer Awareness Month. So the first thing you want to do is going in with a brown shade and define your crease. And then right after that, I'm going to place the concealer lightly on the tip of my eyelid and try this trick of looking up. And the trick actually worked. After you look up, the concealer touches your eyelid and from there you just cut it down. And I'm repeating the same thing on my second eyelid. Second thing I'm going to be doing is going in with this liquid purple glitter, and I also put some more pink glitter on top of it after I applied it. Then I'm just going to go in with a brown gold sparkly glitter and just use it to really define my crease. After that, I just went in with my eyeshadow, a pink lipstick to support the month, and there you have it, guys. I really hope you guys have enjoyed this short tutorial. I'll be bringing so much more your way, and if you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel by clicking the red button down below. You can always get a notification when I post a video. And until my next video, guys, I'm NdatseNdomo on Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter, Instagram, and of course YouTube here. Love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.